Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate how to connect two batteries in parallel and link them to a single inverter with BMS communication enabled. Okay, first let's connect parallel these two positive sides from positive side from the battery A, and this is battery B's positive to this. Maybe you can use like something like a bus bar or something. Look. And for the negative side, battery A and the battery B, we do the same thing to them. Connect to this. Okay, now positive, positive, negative, negative, and we from here to get positive to the inverter positive. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we have a parallel linked from both of the batteries, just like this. Okay, to ensure proper management, we also need BMS communication. The two batteries are daisy chain communication cable. Battery 1 to battery B. Before that, please kindly check about the battery's user manual. It will help you to connect these batteries. Okay, be careful about this. Usually it is very dangerous and keep safe. You also have to make a communication with the battery to the inverter. Finished. Now we have successfully connected two batteries in parallel in the DC side, and there are BMS linked in the communication cable, and the antenna pad connected to the inverter. So thank you for your watching, and see you next time.